Welcome to Softship Trading Academy. Today we'll be talking on key level market turning points, how to draw them, and also how to use them for your entry. So most time before you draw your key level, I like drawing it from the monthly time frame, so that I will have a strong because key level also serve as support and resistance as well. So I would like to have a strong support and resistance, and also market reversal, market turning point, so that it will not be something that will be easily blown away. So let's go down to the business of today. Please remember to like, share, and follow my YouTube channel, so you will also be notified when we drop update. So first, you want to draw a line. I want to show you what you'll be looking at while drawing the key level. There are some things you need to put into consideration while drawing it, which are is not that so hard. So first, I want to see stuff like this. I will explain later. So now, why I drew this in is I'm looking out for this kind of pattern in um on the chart. So I'm looking at where do we have something like this on this chart. Those are where I will draw my key levels, starting from the monthly, then we now go down to the weekly, the daily. But you can also decide to draw from your 4 hours or your 1 hour, depending on your pattern of trading. Most times, I draw from the monthly. If I want to use key level area, I draw monthly, weekly, and that also why, because I don't like plenty charts or plenty lines on my chart. I like seeing my chart as clean as possible to avoid being confused when I'm doing my analysis. So let's go down to business. So now, first step is to change your chart to line chart. So once you change it to line chart, you'll be looking at if you could see any of this region in around the market. So let's first you pick up your line. We'll have one here. See, you see this one going up, same thing here, you see here as well. So to duplicate lines, just click on when you click on it, click on control, you drag to wherever you want. So let's look at for another area. We'll have one here which we are looking at, the other leg creating the second one where we have price currently. Why do I pick here? Look at how price bounced and bounced and bounced here, broke, couldn't stay below, went up. Same thing when it came down to this level, which ranged for months, took out, went up. So let's go again to pick, let's do like 4. If we get like 4 or 5 or even 3, we are good to go. So we'll have one here. So With this tree, we are good to go. So let's go down to the weekly. Let's go down to the weekly reset chart. Now before we go down to the weekly, you can decide to change the color of these to maybe red. The ones you draw on the monthly, you can decide to change it to red. Also just click, come here, change to any color, so that you always you will be you will know which of the key levels you are presently, especially when price is approaching it. You understand? So now let's go down to the weekly to look out for our key level area. Let me use this line for the weekly. So we'll have one here on the weekly. We'll have here. So you see how price bounced off from here, how it's rejected from here. Same thing happened here. See how it bounced from here. So from here we had that drop. So I think we'll still have one here. You can draw as many as you want, so but draw mostly on key level areas, like important area, and especially let it be where price is presently within the range you have price, so that your chart will not be clustered. So we'll have one here, price range there. Look at that sign I showed you. Look at how it bounced from here. So it connects here, so connecting here and here, you see we have a key level here. Just that simple. So let's look out for another one. We should have one around here as well. See as the down sign, the up sign. Look at how price rejected. Look out for another one. Might still be creating one here as well. So but it's not yet we don't have anyone here. See, we'll have one here. See that? See here. Here we'll have multiple rejection. We'll have multiple key level here. Look at this. 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 This is still extended to this region. See? So here is a very strong zone. So after marking your key level areas, you go down to the daily as well. Depending on the way you trade, most times if you have a clear key level on the weekly, you mark it up. Remember, as I said, always remember to change the color so that you know the key level areas you are approaching. So let's still go to look out for key level. Okay, we'll have nice one here. So let's change this to, let's say, blue. Change it to blue. Is on the daily. So when you see your key level, the blue ones, you know you're on the daily. Depending on the color you use, this is just me trying to simplify it for you. See here. So you could see how price is rejecting, like respecting it. So even if you want to use key level, this is me explaining, you want to use key level for your entry, you can still go down to as low as 1 hour to draw it. So when you see price close above key level, you can have your entry here. You can have your entry here, because immediately they broke out from here, they came back, and look at how they drove the it went up. Same thing here, look at, after breaking here, they had a retest here, clean. So but on a lower time frame, you might have a better entry, and also look at how the key level, okay, look at this place. Immediately they broke this line of like break or market structure, you tested the key level, your SL around and on top of here, look at the drop, very easy. Same thing happened here, immediately they broke here, they retested, though they use more of like breaker block here, but even using your key level area, you have your entry around here, your SL here. Look at that drop, same thing here, look at, broke up here, enter, they broke this one, they enter here, break here, enter here, and this is how where the market flied. You see, this is where the market flied. So you can use just only key level to have your make your entry in the market. So let's go just rush down to 4 hours to see what we still have on 4 hours. You see how it's rejecting from here, see the key level area. Key level also is more of like a zone, so it must not be that exact line, but that zone can also be used as key level. Mostly people like drawing it as zone, but me, I like drawing it as line, because drawing that zone most times make my chart so dirty. So when I draw it as a line, I know that it's that zone I'm looking at for. So once I see my confirmation, I take my trade and I walk away. So that's just all for key level. You can use it for even your market analysis. This is more of like a break or market structure, because we are this more of this BMS. See, we are bullish for now, though we might return bearish. So but in all this thing, just react to price, follow whatever price is doing.